Hello, welcome back to Michael's Reviews. Today I have an auto soap alcohol dispenser, and I just got it in the mail. As you can tell, the box is a little bit roughed up, but overall it was intact and it was in good shape. So let's open the box and do a little mini review. So let's see what's inside. Here's the soap dispenser. Got the instructions. Here they are. And it comes with a USB-C adapter, charging adapter. Okay, let's put this on the side. So here it is. Okay, I have to say the build quality is very good. I was very impressed when I got this the first time. And this is where the button is. You press it once, that turns on, and you press it again, and you see the two blinking light. It means that it's off, so it doesn't work. You unscrew it, and this is where you put the soap. So this is roughly up to 350 milliliters of water. I don't know what it is in ounces, I forgot. I can't remember. So basically what you do is you fill 100 milliliters of soap, and the rest you fill it with water. Then you close it, instructions, and then they say you shake it. I'm going to show you after with soap how it works. And this is where the USB-C comes plugged in. Plug it in here, and then you charge it. And what else? And the manual here as well. So this is the button, the power button. This is the indicator where the soap comes out, the water bottle, the tube, and the charging port. That's pretty much it. The is a rechargeable lithium battery, and the liquid time, they say it's 1 second, and the whole bottle is 350 milliliters as well, and it's waterproof IPX4. Okay, and let me go get some soap. I'm going to fill it with soap, and then I'm going to fill it with water, and let's see how it works. Okay, let's fill this with soap. So we have to fill it until here. You know what, better yet, let's fill it with water, then put the soap last. Where's the water? Okay, so the water is up to 250 milliliters. I don't want to turn it because it's spill. So I'm gonna fill the rest with water, with soap. Okay, and so there we go. Okay, and oh, here's the inside, by the way. Here's the where the soap goes in the water. This is almost like a surgical tube. It's very flexible, and these are probably the screws where you open up the device. Let's screw this down. Okay, pretty straightforward. And also the instructions say that you have to shake it. So see how the soap in here is not mixed, so you mix it. You mix it very well. There we go. Give it a good shake, and there it is. So let's see how it works. So now get this out of the way. Press the button once. It's on. Okay, let's give it up, because don't forget it's the first time I'm using it. There you go. The perfect mousse. That is pretty impressive, I have to say. Actually, I'm very surprised. Let me try one more time. There you go. Pretty cool. So there you have it, folks. It's a good product. I'm going to put the link in the description where you buy this foam maker, and please subscribe and leave me any comments. Thank you.